chicos y chicas, welcome to your tutorial video. We're going to be talking today about a topic that is linked to the one from last week, which was the introduction of verbs like gustar, interesar, etc. And we're going to connect it with the topic of reactions, alright? I love ice cream, I don't. I love buttersea, me too. I live in London, I don't. Alright, these sort of ways in which we react. Why? Because they are quite different in Spanish depending whether you are making an initial statement with a normal verb, alright? Why? We've already talked about what I call a normal verb, which is basically any verb that ends with AR, IR, and ER, alright? So, hablar, trabajar, vivir, comer, also reflexive ones, bañarse, levantarse. So that's like normal verb, where you will have the pronouns yo, tú, él, etc. And then the verbs that we saw in beginner 2, but also last week, which are verbs like gustar, that have this other special way of behaving. There is no yo, there is no tú, there is this other structure, right? So we react differently. It is actually quite similar, but it's important to notice the differences. So let's take a contrast of one and the other. So I say vivo, which is a normal verb. So this is positive, positive. Person A says something positive, affirmative, vivo en Battersea. Person B says, me too. Alright? So yo, because it's me saying, también. Alright, but we're going to contrast it here with special verbs. Positive, positive. We say, me gusta Battersea, and the other person says, a mí también. O sea, the person doesn't say yo también, the person says a mí también. Why? Because remember, this is belonging to the structure of gustar. A mí me, a ti te, a él le, etc. Alright? Same here. Negative, negative. No, which is the negation of the sentence. No vivo en Battersea. Person B says, yo tampoco, me neither. Here, no me gusta Battersea. We don't like the person. And B says, a mí tampoco. So the tampoco, like the también here, stays the same, but this little bit, the blue bit changes. Alright? Positive, negative, vivo en Battersea, yo no. I live in Battersea, I don't. Me gusta Battersea, a mí no. We don't like this person either. No, I'm kidding. Me gusta Battersea, a mí no. So again, this stays the same. What changes is the initial part. And the last one, which will be negative, positive, no vivo en Battersea, yo sí, I don't live in Battersea, I do. Alright, like Mary, I do. Alright, and then negative, positive, no me gusta Battersea, a mí sí. I do not like Battersea, I do. So the same, the C stays the same, and this little blue bit is what changes. So obviously, the words in orange are the negative ones to react negatively, and the positive ones are the green ones. I forgot to add here, of course, no? They're already in the color, never mind. This is how it looks. And of course, I'm taking yo as an example, but it could be él, ella, nosotros, okay? It can be any of the pronouns, or it can be a mí, a él, a nosotros, right? But notice and remember that with verbs like gustar, always the A like an arrow, right? So have fun practicing next time and reacting a lot. Bye-bye.